guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to you know earn. Well, it is yet to launch, but yeah, this is a web3 platform, a social media web3 platform where you earn for tweeting. Okay, no, that is for Twitter. For casting, like casting is just like tweeting, but it's just like they just do like Twitter, but it is a web3 platform where you earn money for casting. You earn cast tokens for casting, and it's free. Yeah, guys, it's free for you to join, and you don't have to pay any dime about from it. And yeah, just like sweat token, but on sweat you have to work. Sweat is like a fitness app, but this is, and just like stephen is then free. As you can see, you see people are tweeting. You can just like, and you can cast. I think what they call this is on cast, so recast. So as you can see, this chain time to accumulate, or as so nft dead. I know what I'm doing. So this is just how it is, and yeah, you can just come here, open an account, and verify it with your, I think, your mobile number and your email, and you can also add your Twitter handle to it, just verify. Okay, and if you guys want to sign up to this, you guys have to click the link in the description below. And yeah, I see great potentials for this, because if this gets a lot of hype on Twitter, guys, this is going to skyrocket a lot. And yeah, you can check if you want to claim the wallet price. You have to just go to that wallet icon there. I already clicked on it. Stitch, the network is pretty bad, yeah, because it's somehow rainy. So you just have to click on it, and yeah, it's going to load automatically. It's going to bring out something like this. Yeah, okay, my balance is still loading, and yeah, when it's done, you see it. Click the link in the description below, those just to sign up to this, and let's earn some cash talking together. Let's be fast, because guys, this is limited. Like, once they distribute the tokens to the people, like, I think they have 60,000 tokens left to distribute to people who are done with their verification. So you have to do this ASAP. You don't want to waste more time on this. Then the network is so bad right now. As you can see, it's on E. Okay, 3G. 3G is too slow. Okay, as you can see, verify your mobile number and get 10 cast. Okay, I got it. As you can see, my balance is on 10 casts. Remaining airdrops 67,190. As you can see, that's 67,190. You have to claim it before this gets off. So if we are getting 10 casts per person, I think it's remaining 6,000 people, 6,719 people to be able to claim this. So 6,000 people claiming this now, that's all for it. Remaining airdrop, that's all, guys. So you want to join this ASAP early caster airdrop. This is what they call a real airdrop, where you get tokens for testing out apps or something that is new, not just fake airdrops that it does do nowadays. We are just giving you 500 or $500,000 for that's fake, without that the liquidity is so high, because they tend to tamper out the liquidity. They give a lot. They put a high amount for liquidity, like there's a way they do it that makes the coin price so high, and then when they officially launch it, it goes back. Your $500 goes to 30 cents or so. That's just the bad airdrops I don't want to talk about now. So cast tokens, you have to just come here, claim your cast tokens on cast school. Just sign up with the link in the description below. I'm going to be sharing it. This is it. And when you want to refer your people, your friends, or anybody, you can just click on this. I don't know how much they're giving per referral, but yeah, you just have to find out by yourself. And yeah, that's just it about cast token and cast cool and the app and all that. Yeah, so you can just check out other people tweeting here. Yeah, I'm mining on the gold network. Join us quickly for the future. One gold is equal to 50 USD. My invitation code is okay. So so let us check something now. He said he's mining gold. One gold is equal to 50 USD. I guess USD is US dollar, but I don't know what he's talking about. I think this is the gold. He has 1,000. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He shouldn't tell me he has 199 billion golds. Okay, total balance 8,568.5 gold. So if one gold is 50 USD, then this is giving him if it's 10 USD, this is 85,000. 85,000 times 5 is 594A. That is almost 500k USD. This is what I'm talking about. This is just scam. Like, people just scam. Like, this is shit airdrop. That's fake, guys. So don't just something like that. And as you can see, you can, I can make a post here. What's on my mind? I can just type anything there, and yeah, that's all. And I just cast it. Yes, cast, and that's all about this app. As you can see, very cool app, and that's it for this video, guys. So just subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified, and let's get monetized ASAP, so we can be able to start giving out more rewards on this channel. And yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Thanks, peace out.